Hello, in this video I want to show you how to import Google Chrome data and history to Microsoft Edge. And to do this, first you will need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of Edge browser, navigate to the settings, and that's how the settings tab looks like. Now in the profiles we'll need to select import browser data, and there's import data from Google Chrome. Now we want to click on it and then select our profile. If you have your Chrome installed, make sure you're logged into your Google account, and then you will find that profile and we can import it with the import button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.